Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Wowbutter apple cookies. Let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 6 tablespoons of butter, and you want that to be softened. A half a cup of Wowbutter, and that can be the creamy or the crunchy, it doesn't matter. A half a cup of brown sugar and a half a cup of white sugar. 4 tablespoons of applesauce. 2 eggs. A half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a pinch of salt, and then a half a cup of shredded apple. And I just removed my skins and shredded that up. So let's go ahead and get started. Preheat your oven to 350, and we're going to line a large baking sheet with parchment paper. Alright, so to my sugars, I added my softened butter and softened Wowbutter, and we're just going to mix that with an electric mixer until it is light and fluffy. Okay, I had a little camera malfunction there. I thought it was on pause and it wasn't, and when I thought it was recording it wasn't. So this is my mixture after I added in my applesauce, eggs, and vanilla extract. You just want to beat that until it's combined. So next, in a smaller bowl, which I had my flour in already, I added my baking powder, cinnamon, and my pinch of salt, and I just whisked that together with a whisk until it was combined. And next I'm going to slowly add in this mixture into our wet and just mix it in between each pour. Alright, I just used my spatula and scraped down the sides and really made sure all the underneath is combined. So next we're going to fold in our shredded apples. As I'm folding in my apples, I don't know if I mentioned, but I used 1 small apple. That's how much it took to get a half a cup of shredded for me. Alright, that looks nice and combined to me. So next you can either roll into 1-inch balls of dough and place on your parchment lined baking sheet, or you can use a cookie scoop. That's what I'm going to do because I just think it would be messy. You might want to spray your hands with cooking spray if you're going to roll them. Alright, I have 12 cookies up here. Next we're just going to press down with a fork to get the crisscross shape like you do in Wowbutter cookies or peanut butter cookies. Alright. This really isn't working well for me, so I'm going to do like you do for real Wowbutter or peanut butter cookies and get a little bowl of sugar and keep dipping my fork in there to make my crisscross. Alright, that's a little better. They're still pretty sticky, but it's okay. Next, they're going to go in the oven for 12 to 14 minutes at 350. Okay, my first batch just came out of the oven, and I'm going to let them cool here on the baking sheet for a few minutes before I transfer them to a cooling rack. Alright, my cookies are all out of the oven and cooled off, so we're going to see what Taste Tester thinks. Alright, Taste Tester's over here in his little virtual school. Hey, Taste Tester! Have a little taste.
Okay. Yum. Yum.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Okay, like, subscribe.
Bye!
Bye.